Ranveer wrote something which Shatrughan Sinha didn't like. Amir, long time back, wrote something which Amit ji didn't like. So, you have a great sense of humor. So, do you have something in mind that, any might not like?
See, I don't write because I get into enough trouble just by speaking.
So, if someone writes like which you might not like when you read that blog.
See, it's everybody's personal point of view. I am really very unaggressive and quite easy about sense of humor. If anybody says or writes anything about me, I'm quite okay and easy with that. I take it with the same spirit that I crack a joke with. So it would be wrong for me to take any comment by anyone on my work unless it gets really personal. I don't think I would ever take it wrongly. And I think, blogging as a concept is something that is meant to have freedom of expression. Internet as a whole device is something where you can come, pass on information, take it and express yourself. I think we have to respect that. And sometimes I go on internet and check the things written about me, and believe you me, I'm shocked that people write this about me. And I take it with a pinch of salt. Sometimes I just sort of have a parental lock on it because the kids should not know how bad their daddy is. But besides that, I think everybody has a right. We need to take it in the spirit it is written in. And then everybody also has the right to express themselves back through a blog or whatever mode of medium or media they decide to do it from. So
Night riders are really rocking, and it's just in papers or maybe we've read somewhere. As you said, journalists should not believe what we read. But just one thing, it's like you have maximum tie-ups also for your team. As you said that you touched a plant.
See, actually, like I said, I was telling Darshana here, who's part of this company and who's been helping us put this show together, that when I come out to work for somebody, if I come as a friend, I come as a guest, I come as a professional. The one thing that I have in mind is, I have come here to work for you guys who are sitting here. You've come for a press conference. I want you to go back home thinking that you got some information from Shah Rukh that you wanted and you were also entertained. You go back home with a smile. I'll never let you down. I've come here for Shoppers Stop. I'm not going to let Nagesh and Govind down. Similarly, whenever I endorse a product, good, bad, ugly, according to whatever viewpoint, I give it my best shot, and I've been associated with most of the products because of the values that I bring to it, of sticking to things that I start. And I think somewhere down the line it creates a goodwill. And when I speak to say Nokia or Belmont or Tag Heuer, I don't even have to really ask them. They have just said, Shah Rukh, we're going to be in this with you because you need us this time. And to be really, because it's a big thing for me, I can't handle it on my own. So they all came aboard, and I'm very thankful to them. And in return, I hope, it's not that I touch everything and becomes money. I work very hard for it. I give a lot of diligence and a lot of importance to anyone who has paid me to do a job. I would never let down, and I would tell all the youngsters who are here, you guys are in a field which is very sensitive. You are journalists. Please, for God's sake, if you are getting paid to do a job, do it to the rightest platform. But I would like to thank all of you really, and I don't say it because some of you are friends, I've known you for years. Thank you for helping me with Night Riders. I think the only thing that helped me to take it off is the fact that the whole media has been really nice to me. Because I think I've also had an association with you guys. To begin with, it was me. But I think finally, what Night Riders will be is what the team brings to the table. And I hope, and I'm seeing it right now, that they're doing very well. And I pray every morning to my parents, to God, that keep on keeping them healthy, not to get hurt, and perform well as a team. So hopefully the brand will sustain itself by the performance they do. And whenever they don't, then I'll come and dance on stage.
Shah Rukh, I'm told that there are lots of questions.
My son believes like I believe we will win. Korbo Lorbo Jeetbo. We don't believe. I think like a little child. I'm silly like a little child. I believe we'll win everything. I wake up in the morning and I believe we'll win everything. Just like my kid, my daughter, they don't even say something like, are we going to lose today? They come and they say, we're going to win. So for them it is something they believed in, it happened, and they go back. So they don't even overreact to a win. You have to be childlike about this. And yeah, some of them will lose also. Then I'll have to explain to my kids that life teaches you how to lose also. So they'll learn.